What's up everyone, my name is Khalid. Welcome back to the Smart channel. As we know, money is essential to everyone. Without money, very difficult to survive. If you need money, you have to do hard work to get money. When you get money, you won't be a happy life with our family as well as friends. Doesn't matter how you earn, how you spend. The more you save money, the easier to get rich. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 simple money saving tricks to build your future, to improve your life and create happiness. I hope you are ready. Trick number 1. Save first, not last. What is the first thing you do when you get paid? You divide your money and put it in 3 banks. If you want to buy a car, you have to be sure that money goes into your saving bank account. Before you spend, why putting your save money into your bank account? Understand it. First important is, look, this is a big rule about money. You can spend it only once. Let's say you use your spend money go to a food. You have all of your allowance in your pocket and spend $10 of your save money on pizza. That money gone. You can't use it for your dream of a car. That's a car just got further away. You need to save first, not last. Trick number 2. 3 banks, not 1. Want a smart way to control your money? Use 3 banks. Each bank is with the way you will use the money, save, spend, and invest. A saving bank for money to be used later on a large items or feature plan. Spending bank for money to be used soon on everyday things. Investing bank for money that will be used several years from now. So create 3 banks, not 1. Trick number 3. Set saving goals. How much should you save each month? That depends what you are saving for. For example, you won't buy a new car, but your money is insufficient. The new car price is $12,000. You have to save $1,000 each month to buy your dream car. So set your saving goal. Depends on what you are saving, monthly, weekly, or daily, or yearly. Trick number 4. When you spend, be smart shopper. Okay, you have got some money and you are ready to buy a DVD. You have saved that money, so make it work for you. Remember, that DVD plenty of places. Find out where you can get the best buy for your money. Look for sales and coupons. If you save $1, that means you can spend it on something else, or add it in your saving bank account to buy your dream car. Learn and be smart shopper. Finally, trick number 5. A 24-hour rule. Have you ever made a purchase you regretted? Of course. Most of us have. And that's a big problem, because you have spent money on something that makes you unhappy instead of putting cash to be better use. Set a rule: you will wait 24 hours before making any purchase over spending limit. For delay, can provide time to shop around to see where you can find the best deal. After sleeping overnight, chances are good you will decide not to buy anyway. So when you need to buy something, don't buy immediately. Wait for 24-hour rule. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like, share to others to learn and grow. Leave your thought on your comment section below and turn on notification. You will get every Sunday new videos. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next